He's got on different wigs.
I don't know.
Deputy Laura,
I need to be in this.
welcome back.
Before I forget.
And I brought you something because, you know, anytime somebody's out and they're ill, you should.
I don't know. It was just, I don't know.
So it is,
Bring
it back down.
I just.
Dear
Debbie. I thought it was Abby. Thank you, Judge. Did you read it?
no, I haven't read it yet. You know, I'm in the middle of reading my other books. I'm reading about 4 books right now.
Yes, she does. Yes.
So Bashan,
Oh,
Denny Callahan passed, as you know. And Denny was like, see, other attorneys should take notes from Denny Callahan. Not all, just some. Denny, always respectful. Whatever ruling I made, he just accepted it. Knowledgeable, always ready to go on his cases. And then I wake up this morning and guess who's passed? Bonnie Tyler. Total eclipse of the heart. Yes.
I need a hero, Judge.
Oh, I love, I love I Need a Hero. That was a theme song that was used in Cover Up with John Eric Hexum, who died on the set of Cover Up, which broke my heart as well. But we're gonna push through.
No, they do.
All right, everyone, I'm gonna call the docket. And to attorneys, we have a court reporter in training. So please speak in a way that she will be happy that she chose this profession. So no mumbling, no talking extra fast. Let's make her realize she's chosen the best profession she can choose. All right, when I call your name, please stand so I'll know you're here. Otherwise, a warrant will be issued. And your Friday's Eve will probably turn out to be a bad Friday's Eve because a deputy may take you into custody. Brittany Caraway. You're not starting off very well. Bosco Braham.
He's on Zoom for separate here.
All right, thank you. Let me see if he is on Zoom. Is he with the iPhone?
They might have it with some side. They were doing it from a different phone this time.
All right. See, this is what amazes me. People can do so much with their technology, posting food, going to TikTok, going here, going there. But when you ask them to zoom in, they don't know how to zoom in and they can't assign a name to their own phone. Just throwing that out there. Mahmoud Algadrab, he's in another county. Jose Torres.
That's for him, Your Honor. He's on his phone.
So it's not here. Okay. Well, Deputy Laura, you have enough handcuffs over there.
Oh, yeah.
Lawrence Williams, custody. Jose Alexis Trujillo.
Here you go.
Thank you. Somebody dismissed his case. Ethan Martinez.
Judge Dr. Wayne is excused.
Okay. Marlon John.
Here for him, Judge. She's not here at the moment.
Theodore Ted Garcia. We need to ask his mom what's up with that Theodore plus Ted. I mean, Mickey Xavier Vasquez. Deputy Mejia, it's going to be a quick day, but an eventful one for you all. Christopher Ortiz. Excuse. Okay. Sergio Ricardo Rodriguez.
Hello, Council Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. Can you acknowledge that I rolled my R's?
Yes.
Thank you. Rudolfo Palma.
Here, Your Honor.
Stephen Ronald Worthy. Stephen Ronald Worthy III. Oh, he's in custody. I didn't roll that R because I didn't think I was supposed to. Isidro Sanchez, custody. Mikel Martin Morales. Joshua Blake Perkins.
Morning, Judge, I'm present.
He's on Zoom.
I'm good. Great.
He signed in with his name.
Okay.
Catalina Robledo. Rachel Mogul Beckman. Thank you. Dennis Zuniga Alvarado, custody. Ishanae Williams. Ishanae Williams. You all know it too. Thank you. Ishanae Williams. Okay. Donza Sampson. He's still in custody?
Yes.
All right. Lionel Taylor. Lionel DeForest Taylor Jr. I guarantee you he was named after DeForest Kelly from Star Trek. Imani Hastings, custody. Elia Michelle Keyshawn Jackson. Teresa, wait, Ariana Teresa Lene Napoleon. Yes, how do you pronounce your first name?
It's just spelled differently.
No, I got it right though, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Ishanae Joy Nicole Mackey. Theodore Ted Garcia.
Second row on this side, sir.
Isabel Liana Martinez. Thank you. Devonay Lee Bovey.
There you go.
Thank you. Israel Reyes, custody. Michael Anthony Lodge, custody.
Bless you.
Bless you. Janalen Rianne Cruz Santamayor.
Custody.
Oh, thank you. Raymond Diaz, custody. David Lopez Gonzalez.
Here, Your Honor.
Jesus Rodriguez Mancada. Jesse Jason Gonzalez.
He's supposed to be on Zoom, Judge, today at 10:45.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Alicia Ashante Tenoria. What is that, Vashon? I'm sending you, is it a 10-page letter or 8-page letter?
Other last name, Judge.
Mhm.
is
Tenorio.
Oh, Vashon said, Lindsay,
Lindsay, Alicia,
Lindsay, Ashante
Tenorio.
Tenorio. Herbert Lee King, custody. Michael Joseph Mora. Thank you. Good seeing you. Annabelle Vela, custody. Sometimes it's not good for a judge to remember you, but in your case, it's a good thing. And Randy Gallegos is this afternoon. Anyone came in late or your name was not called?
Second row, sir.
All right, you say that's Jose Torres? Yes. Number what?
Oh, that's the one that was recalled from me.
All right, thank you.
The plea.
All right, attorneys, please listen to these instructions and listen to these instructions carefully, and please follow them as it's Friday's Eve. Number one, we're recessing at noon. There's no need to rush me, afternoon and say just one more thing, Judge, because we are recessing at noon. The other thing, you're not ready to approach me if you have not conferred with the state and conferred with your client. If your client is in custody, yes, they need to be brought out. If your client wishes to speak in a language other than English, we'll need to have an interpreter called down. So when you have done those things and you're ready to approach, sign in with the clerk. And then I will call you in the order of appearance. Please let the clerk know the reason you're signing in, whether you think it's a reset, whether or not you're ready for jury trial. We're currently in a jury trial, but you know, I can make it happen because I'm a woman, I multitask. All right, everyone, let's make it a great day and be kind to each other. Everyone, please confer. All right, anyone else came in late? What's your name?
Marlon John, Your Honor.
Marlon what?
John, J-O-H-N.
All right, just have a seat.
Second row, sir.
Anyone else? What's your name? All right, second row, just have a seat. He's on page 2.
Yes, there's a checking.
Yeah, I did. Well, he just needs to go down his page and do the dismissal. Jose Thurs. So I was gonna have an excuse to go. And then we'll be out here. We don't need to. So, I mean, it's okay if you if I send it, I'll go. Yeah, you have to go down and the check section. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Oh, no, I got it. Oh, no, I got it. Couldn't find it in my own.
I don't know.
Huh?
I told you this last year.
Adam Gorgeous.
Oh, yes.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I have Jose Torres. He needs to go down and pay and then we get a dismissal. Yeah, I just want to have an excuse. So-
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, she was good.
No, she was standing there.
Take your seat, right?
My brief book, so I those things to be put in a binder where you slip a piece of paper in. And I had made like A through Z, all the briefs, and I just have like Monday I would do A through J, whatever, I would split it up into briefs.
Yeah.
So. And I was doing a family, so like, you know, were and are and can, you know, like, cause I do the SKP for him.
Oh, I was never set up.
Yeah, I didn't know that for a long time, but yeah, that's SKP. So in your, you get RP, so that kind of thing, and then. So I just. Made briefs of the- and then I just go and I just preps and every day. Just three different breakouts and. And then they would just. Go to their.
But it comes.
This docket are the SKW for like PNC or
I get
ISD.
Yeah.
Right. All that stuff, but yeah, but you.
And the other thing that I had to do was
So that I always said. I can ask her. The way I always know.
So you know.
You know, if I'm right, because she's like. That is also. So I had to ask her. So I just know that's my free, not the word.
Okay.
And then it also comes up, I want you to find it. in face.
Yeah. That's fair.
But I just said, it makes sense to me, like, how am I gonna know? It's something versus not. Yeah. Where's my song? The way I started writing was. And his names, I only did that. A couple years ago, when I was in Austin, because she wanted real time for diary.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard. Because I was I ended up going back. Which I did this time, but only for like 3 or 4, and I was like, no, don't have that. So.
Yeah, I looked through and I did Q&A for a couple of things.
So. So like. I do the information with the F and the asterisk, and so I know it's heavy. And then if it's just Mr. Bacon, to do the answer bank is just the F. So it comes up Mr. Bacon.
Okay.
But it's always Mr. Bacon. It's either in policy or it's not. In the same, like Miss Cunningham, it's Hannah Hawkins, and if I would have done that, that's Hannah Hawkins, then we got a conflict, so I did the case. So, but I, when I put it in my dictionary, I put Hawkins Cunningham. Yeah, the name was Hannah Hawkins Cunningham. Yeah, hyphenated. So, and then, so I do the answer bank with the K with the asterisk, and then just the K without the asterisk for Miss Hawkins Cunningham.
But at least you guys are like, how do you do stuff?
Yeah, I feel the need. Yeah. Yeah.
It is the act and it's just.
The problem is, so if you drag the S and stroke it accidentally to the next stroke, then you can get some weird stuff.
Yeah.
So I really struggle trying to make sure I don't, stack it. I told you about your answer in with the answer bank. Right? So.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I need to update my notes there.
I also drop my T a lot, and it should be right instead of already. I put the already instead of already. I don't have the 3 over here again.
I think so.
I have to really make it a point to put that T.
I think that's.
My citation should come out right, but Brandon was saying it's so.
Yes.
I do.
I'm just gonna say his birth name, Bosco. He's on page 1 right now. Oh, I missed so much of that again.
Bosco, Ted, Braham.
Morning, Judge. He's on Zoom for the discovery hearing.
All right, sir, you need to unmute and start video.
I pray it works. I tried to walk him through on the phone earlier.
Sir, you need to start your video.
There we go.
Am I here?
All right, thank you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, so medical records, where are they?
So I am here to speak back from Monica through, and I don't think she got through with getting the sign the opposition that we needed in order to get these kinds of medical records.
Mhm.
I'm going to attempt to do that now. We're scheduled to talk with her today, see if she can sign us a general official release, so we can send a new subpoena with the HIPAA release for those records, because we could unfortunately only been ready.
All right, Nora, set this for jury trial at the end of August.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, August 25th will be your jury trial date. And counsel, if the records are not in, of course, we'll proceed accordingly.
Sounds good. Thanks,
Thank
Judge.
you. All right, sir, you'll need to be in court on August 25th.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
You as well.
Or,
Which page?
2000.
Okay. All right, Ariana, Teresa, Lene, Napoleon.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Hello.
Hi.
All right.
Oops.
So where are we on discovery?
Judge, on the CTV side, I see an email talking about audio, so I'm double checking with the agency that they can send me the audio, and then also inquiring about surveillance that may or may not exist. It doesn't make mention in the report. There's also an unindicted family violence case that I haven't funded second. So we can just have one recess, like security and stuff.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset for discovery.
Yeah, August 24th.
All right, August 24th, just have a seat. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Have a seat.
Oh, okay. Sure. You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Afterwards, may I be excused?
Yes. Who's next? Anyone else ready?
Yes. Mario ready for reset. I don't know.
What's the person's name?
Mahmoud Ogadrov, Your Honor.
He's on page 1, there's 4 down.
All right, on this case, counsel, what is happening?
My understanding is that Mr. Ogadrov is still in custody out in Hardin County.
The last time you were here, you said that you all think maybe you've worked something out.
There was a renewed offer that was made on this case that I believe my client may be possibly interested in. But with him being out of county, I've not been able
I
to.
mean, have you talked to them in the other county?
No, ma'am.
All right, where is he?
Are you asking me or, oh, sorry, Hardin County. Or Hardin, is that right? No, I'm sorry. It's a small county, Judge, I'm sorry. I believe it's Hardin County.
How do you spell that? H-A-O.
Hardin?
Yeah.
Correct, yeah, that's it, Judge.
Sergio Ricardo Rodríguez. Sergio Ricardo Rodríguez. PTD.
All right, have you all called them? Because on their website, it doesn't show that he's there.
I have not called, Judge. For the
Well-
last few settings that we've been here, he's been in that county, and I know he had active cases in that county.
All right, let me double check it again.
I believe he had about 4 or 5 cases.
What city is that?
Yeah, just. This actually.
Chase.
I'm actually not sure, Judge. It looks, I've never heard of any of these towns. I don't know what the county seat is.
Is it Huntsay, Texas?
I believe so. Kuntze, Kountze, is that what you're saying, Judge?
Mhm.
Kuntz? You know, I've been anticipating, Judge, because I know, like I said, for the last few settings, you have been issuing warrants, bench warrants for him to be brought back here, and we
Morning, Judge.
Morning, yes.
They're ready on their It's Uvalde County.
Okay.
quick request, Judge. Sorry. Is it okay for me to bounce around a couple courtrooms and come back? Thank you.
No, good morning. Good morning, y'all.
And I'm sorry, you said who?
Get after your boyfriend.
Right now.
No.
Sergio Rodriguez?
No, my boyfriend just picked up another.
Joshua Perkins.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. So where are we on this PTE?
Judge, I apologize. It was my fault. I delayed it. I lost it in my calendar, but it's already been turned in. The application.
All right, so Norma, recall this for final PTD date.
Joshua Blake Perkins.
August 10th.
Thank you, Judge.
All right,
Take it
thank
on.
you. Stay on top of everything, okay?
Yeah, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right, who's next?
Joshua Perkins, Steve Ford.
Joshua Perkins. Hello,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning.
Sergio Rodriguez.
Good morning.
Good morning. So where are we on this case?
Judge, the state has turned over all the discovery to me. This morning I forwarded to Rick, some mitigating information that I think will resolve this case by the following settings, or resolve both cases, excuse me.
Okay.
So Rick's gonna review it and then hopefully by then or before then, we could resolve both cases.
All right, so when do y'all want this recalled back?
Thank you.
All right, I'll set it for disposition in 30 days. Norm, I didn't need a 30-day reset.
It'll be August 10th.
All right, so Mr. Perkins, you'll need to be in person on August 10th, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Also, to my attorney, did you get the email that I sent to you, sir?
Did-
Yes, sir.
All right, and he's in Bear County, right?
What's that?
Are you in Bear County?
No, Judge, he's on bond.
No, Bear County.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
That's okay. You're in Bear County, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so just make sure you're in court on August 10th, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I was like,
All
what? All right, who's next?
Asking for a reset.
All right, thank you. Jesus Rodriguez Mancada? Yes. Good morning. Let me just see here. All right. So we're supposed to be here for finalization of this matter.
That is correct, Your Honor. So we do have an agreement in place for revocation. The issue is my client's wife has an autoimmune disease. He is just asking for 2 weeks to try and organize some care for her while he is going to be away.
All right. Could you pull the MTR for me, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ms. Abrams, do you have the court summary on Jesus Mancada?
Yes, Judge.
Your Honor, I do have some documentation regarding his wife's health issues if you would like to see that.
Sure.
There you go, Judge.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna proceed with the MTR.
Yeah.
So if you could, I don't have a trial court
I
certificate.
have it right here, Your Honor. I wanted to discuss with you first. Can I take a step back and have him sign this and then?
All right, who's next?
Nobody yet.
Okay.
Yeah, he's been in now. That's where he is right now. That's it.
Yes.
Would you like me to sign back up again? I have.
Oh, no, we can go.
Okay.
Thank you.
I just gave it.
Or Christie has.
Oh.
Is that, Your Honor?
All right, we're gonna go on the record. Court is calling CR 11091, State versus Jesus Mancata. Could I have parties announced for the record? Could I have a file stamp, please?
Trey Maurer for defense.
And are you Mr. Mancata?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Jesus Mancata who was placed on community supervision in 2013 CR 11091 for the offense of forgery of a commercial instrument or check on June 27, 2017 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
State?
On state's first amended motion to revoke violated condition number 5 in Bear County, Texas, defendant Jesus Rodriguez Moncada did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December 2020 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Violated condition number 5 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Jesus Rodriguez Moncada did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, and April 2021 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, yeah.
State will waive the remainder.
And that's 3 5s.
2 5.
2 5s. Okay. Did you understand by pleading true to any objections to the waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
Do you have the court admonishments? Oh, I'm sorry, you gave it to me. All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5 and 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 5 and 5?
Yes, sir.
Court will find 5 and 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement for the court's consideration is to grant state's motion, revoke community supervision, sentence to 1 year, and run concurrent with clause 2026 CC008026.
That is our agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. Probation. Was the restitution paid in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Judge, I don't see restitution listed.
Okay. I know that was before your time when you were in this court. But there is $77 to Twin Liquors, $178 to Gabriel's Liquors, and $136 to Don and Ben's. Have you paid that?
Yes, ma'am. I paid that. I'm sorry, that was one of the things I was on probation. That was one of the stipulations I had to pay before I was put on probation.
Ah,
And my attorney was George Shaver at the time.
let me see. Who's the person who took this plea?
I believe the
Yeah, Angelina.
Angelini.
Well, I know that was paid beforehand. All right, Miss Abrams. It was Angelini, so it was paid beforehand.
Yes, Judge, I don't have anything on his former conditions or anything that indicates restitution.
All right, and you're waiving your right to appeal? All right, the court is finding 5 and 5 true. The court will grant the motion, revoke. This is right concurrent with 2026 CC 008026. And counsel, you're saying that there's some issue with his wife?
Yes, Your Honor. My understanding is that my client's wife does have some healthcare issues, notably an autoimmune disease that requires some care. Obviously, my client is eager to get this time over with and move forward with his life so he can focus on being there for her.
And when you're drug tested today, what will the results be?
Negative.
Okay. All right, the court is gonna sentence you to a $1,500 fine, time and money run concurrent. The court will sentence you to 1 year in the Bear County Jail under 1244, and I'm only doing that because I have seen the medical records in regards to his wife. I don't know if you're going to be any help to your wife or if you're going to take care of her the way you did not take care of your probation, but I've taken that in consideration.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And the court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal because this is a felony conviction. You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney and they will take you into custody today.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
It's 190 days, right?
Yeah. Okay, go over it. I'll go over there. Okay. Yeah, I'll just go over there.
Sorry, I'll go find out. I think it's just 190 days. I don't think there's anything else. I'll go find out.
All right, who's next?
Nobody else on the list.
All right, thank you. Yeah, just have them come out so I can let you know which one. Thank you.
On Mr. Raymond Diaz, can I just check the admonishment so I can see if it was silent? It's a, yes, Raymond Diaz.
They're already gone.
That's what I said. It's gonna be some. It's again, like, one of the agreements. Instead of, she was just a separate estate change. So like, instead of this guy writing it, oh. Right. Instead of writing everything right here.
Sure.
I don't even know. I don't think you guys have discovered the house, I don't know. All of that's, just two kids. And I put notes.
Okay.
You can see that. So we had a job evaluation. Where they already litigated all of these and found no credible evidence. They found that, had to go to trial. And in the child custody evaluation, the child even says, this is what happened, the child was seeing a therapist. But, and that therapist, didn't find the allegations credible. She says, so dad, without anybody's knowledge, it's not a, don't do this, you don't go take a kid to another therapist, and you're not allowed to have two therapists first. Unbeknownst to her. Just created a speed line. Someone, right? I'm gonna talk this guy, but. Sorry. And they actually believe it. Right? So this is coming from. This, you can even. It was for, divorce, but I don't work on themselves. And Michael Moore. She's like. He's on the second to last page, I don't know what. And so she wants to be phone, so that you don't. I have some transport with things. But you didn't take it, he's sorry. Because no, this time.
Yes.
Sorry.
No problem.
For Michael Moore. 9-1. That we, I think we could. Oh, yeah, that's me. I get it to work. It's
Michael Joseph Mora. Hello. Hi, how are you doing?
Doing good,
You're looking great.
thank you.
So what's going on?
Judge, Mr. Moore.
Huh?
Mr. Moore is doing very well on probation. Right now, his probation officer has no concerns. He is seeing his case manager on a regular basis, his provider on a regular basis. He's taking his medications as he should. There was a concern because, Judge, I believe you have him calling in the IVR hotline testing weekly. There was a glitch in the system where when he called into the IVR hotline, it was telling him that his number had expired. They have fixed that glitch, but he hasn't been able to submit. He didn't submit because of the whole glitch or whatnot. So what we're asking, possibly if he goes submit this drug test and it's negative, that we remove him from the IVR hotline and just place him on monthly random UAs. All of the UAs since his last positive have been negative. Ever since, we've got him in contact with his case manager and all that stuff, all this, the mental health services. So he's under that caseload, he's being monitored, and he says he's doing really well. Got a little overwhelmed yesterday, but he was able to work through that. No, it's the conversation at the table is. So yeah, he's doing really, really good.
That's awesome. So, they said you got a little overwhelmed, so how did you address that?
I went home and I don't know how I made it home, but I made it home. And I put some air, some water on my face.
And
Got through it.
and I
Got
think,
through it.
and I'm sorry, I think that was mainly because all of his appointments were yesterday. And he said, you know, the stress of trying to call the hotline and it's not working, it just compounded. So I talked to his officer earlier today. She said she has no concerns at this time.
That's awesome. And that's the way you should handle it. You know, somebody said, if you want to find a good partner, you know, in your life, of course, there are other things like do your background check, but they said the other thing, you give them a computer that doesn't work and see how they handle that. If they're able to be calm and just work through it, then you know you have somebody who's patient. So with the UA hotline, you're just being calm and working through it. I always tell people, if you know you're doing the right thing and there's something else that's happening that's not your fault, it's going to be discovered, because I love to do the investigation and make sure everything is going well. So probation is asking that you be taken off the hotline after you test today if your test is negative. So do you want to do that? Do you think that'll help you? Am I giving you too much room? All right. So if your test is negative, then we're going to transfer you off the UA hotline and we'll do just regular random UAs. And then ultimately, if you're doing well with the regular random UAs, then we can change it to just regular UAs. So continue what you're doing. Is there anything that you need from us that we can help you with? All right, how's life been treating you other than this?
Great.
All right, and is everything okay with the medications and everything?
Yes.
All right, if you have any side effects or something that comes up with the medication, talk to your doctor about it. If you feel like you can't get in contact with them, if it's during business hours, we will be open and you can come here, okay? All right, so when do you want to recall?
Do you think it's necessary, Judge, at this point? Maybe once more?
Yeah, once more. I'm thinking 60 days because that'll give him more time and we can see where it is. I just want to make sure, I already know you're on your right path, but I just want you to continue, okay?
Okay.
All right. 60 days. All right, September 8th, is that a good time for you? So are you, do you have employment? What are you?
Yes, I'm still employed.
Okay, awesome. Are you enjoying it?
It's hot.
It's hot, yeah.
It's real hot.
Oh, and it's a different type of heat, isn't it?
It's
The humidity.
hot.
Well, please make sure you wear your sunscreen, okay? All right, well, good luck to you and keep up the good work, okay? And we'll see you back on September 8th.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, who's next?
Renee Munoz, page two down.
Yeah. I'm like, what is he charged with? Who's representing you? Don't represent yourself.
Say, Judge.
That's for everything.
All right, Marlon John. Hello, good morning. Hey, make sure you're on time though, okay?
I'm so sorry. I kind of have my dates confused today. My other court in what's it?
Court 6.
Court 6. So yeah, completely sorry, apologize for the tired or but yeah, my apologies.
All right. Just make sure you keep up with your dates, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because there are other judges, when people are not there exactly at 9, they just issue warrants and you know, it is what it is.
Roger
as
that.
they
Yes,
say.
ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Munoz, I know you were recently appointed.
Correct, Judge. Yes, we did have a chance to review the discovery.
Mhm.
As it stands, it seems like there might be some poll ban outstanding. I brought that to the attention of the state, so they're gonna go ahead and request that additional video, Judge.
All right. And did they give you an idea when that will be?
I talked with the prosecutor, we're more so aligning that we believe 30 days around that time should be sufficient, Your Honor.
All right, and where do you see this case going?
I won't have a good sense, Judge, until I have the chance to review everything.
All right, Norma, I need a recall for discovery in 30 days.
Would the court be able to do August 13th on a Thursday, Judge?
Norma, August 13th? All right, we'll see you back on August 13th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Thanks, you too.
Don't talk to me.
All right, anyone else ready?
No, nobody else.
All right, thank you.
Stretch, are you ready for another one?
Yes.
Aaliyah Jackson on page 6, one down.
Aaliyah Jackson.
No.
I don't
All
believe
right,
he's
is
here,
he on a
Judge.
commercial bond?
I believe so.
Did anybody call the bondsman?
I haven't. I just asked the court if,
All right, y'all want to call the bondsman?
Okay.
Because otherwise I'm gonna call this hearing.
okay, I will, Judge. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you. All right, anyone else ready?
No, ma'am.
No.
All right, Brittany Caraway. And where is she? All right, thank you. Just have a seat. He's excused. Norma, what date are we recalling Ethan Martinez? Because it's a PTD. I'll let her know that those dates are gonna be August 10th. Ethan Martinez on page 2, the first one. And also Christopher Ortiz, page 3, the first one.
Yes. This.
That's gonna be August 10th.
Yeah.
And so is Ortiz.
Our teachers, they have to come back on July 27th.
Okay.
But the Monday, I think. Yes, July 27th.
All right, thank you.
I'm gonna step up.
Thanks.
All right, is there anyone else here who's signed in and you're ready? Okay. I'll take that as a no.
Okay, no problem. You gotta be over there. Right.
Rachel Beckman,
You said Rachel?
Rachel or Eli Beckman. What's the setting?
This is a drink pop.
It's set for jury trial, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell the state. I know, wow, yeah.
It's a baby.
I'm trying to find the contract.
2026 CR 005075. That's the radio investment, take 4 3 down, so those 3 calls.
Rachel Beckman,
Present, Your Honor. Hi.
let's see where we are on this. All right, what is happening with this case?
Well,
Do y'all have all discovery?
no,
What's outstanding?
but to be honest, Your Honor, I've already tried this on the civil side, so I know the facts like the back of my hand.
All right,
So I'm ready to go, except for the fact that I'm going on vacation tomorrow for a week, and then I'm having surgery, and I'll be out a week from the 20th.
Norma, set this for jury trial in August.
I do have 2 vacations planned in August, so let me tell you what those are.
I can do the 25th, August 25th.
I leave, I go to Philly that weekend.
All right, when will
Judge,
you be
September
here?
would be better.
When will you be here in August?
Oh, that's easy. Let me see what I have made. 17th, I have the whole week clear.
All right, Norma, if you can set this for August 17th.
Yep.
All right, the jury trial will be August 17th.
And the likelihood of me going is, because I'd like to get this resolved as soon as possible. This is a divorce, Your Honor. We're ready to go.
Okay, well, actually, just 1 second, Norma, let me look at this calendar. So you say you leave on July 20th?
I have surgery July 20th. And so I won't be able to.
Are you here on the 13th? That's next
No.
week?
No, I'm in Seattle. I leave tomorrow it's my birthday Saturday, till the 16th. So I'm basically out for the next couple weeks. But August is fine because I need to run it by Dr. Speedlin. She's she did the child custody evaluation.
Mhm.
So she's already investigated all this as well.
All right, just
So
1
we're
second.
seriously ready to go.
Well, no, I'm trying to give you all a date.
August
That's
7th.
like yesterday.
Yeah,
So-
I wish, I wish I could. I'd go today if I could, but August 17th is
What
much better for
about,
my
what
calendar.
about, July 27th?
I can't do any July because since I'm out for 2 weeks, all my family cases got set for then.
What about August 3rd?
Going to Pittsburgh. The
August-
August 17th is perfect.
Well, I mean, I'm trying to go through the weeks because I want you to have your jury trial as quickly as possible.
Okay, well,
So August 3rd, where will you be?
oh, wait a second. As long as we can be done by Thursday, because I leave Friday.
Depends on you all. So Norma, set this for jury trial August 3rd.
Yeah,
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused and I'll need an acknowledgement of discovery signed. All right, thank you.
thank you, Your Honor. Is that a 9 a.m. setting as well?
Yes.
Okay, the only thing that would hold me back is if Dr. Speedlin's not available, otherwise we're ready to go.
I mean, you all have agreed to August 3rd, so I'll see y'all on August 3rd. All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, state defense, let's put this on the record real quick. Court is calling 2026 CR 005075, State versus Rachel Beckman. Can I have parties announced for the record for the defense?
Present, Your Honor.
If you could state your name for the.
Oh, Jacqueline Cribble for Rachel Beckman, we're ready.
All right, and for the state?
Daniel for the state.
And you're Ms. Beckman?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so defense has requested a jury trial as soon as possible. The defense's earliest date available is August 3rd. The court was open to setting this trial On July 13th, defense counsel states she's unavailable. The court was willing to accept it, set it for July 20th. Defense counsel states she is unavailable. The court was willing to set it for July 27th. Defense counsel states she's unavailable. So the court has now set this case for jury trial for August 3rd. All right, thanks, everyone.
May we be excused?
Yes. Oh, well, once you sign the acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Just faster if you come.
All right, who else is ready?
On Jesse Gonzalez Jr., it's a Zoom case on an
He's not
empty.
on.
Oh, okay, so we just have to wait or whatever.
Okay, sure.
We're ready whenever everybody's ready, okay?
Thank you, sure.
Okay, thanks. Judge.
Okay, where am I signing? Oh,
It's a different.
but it's from county court number 9. They don't like us to sign it.
You put that right there, here, Judge.
On the paper?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so they're about this. Did you turn this?
Yeah, you just.
Who's the judge in county court at law number 9?
So shy.
Oh. She's okay with my signing her
Okay.
documents. All right, anyone else ready?
Yes, just give me 1 second.
Okay.
I'm writing on here, they're writing on page 8, 2 down. I think six.
Are y'all ready on Raymond Gilbert Diaz?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi, sorry, it's, yes. Yes. So any update from the bondsman?
I didn't call the bondsman. I called the client judge. She said she was unaware. I think she was looking at Odyssey to check her court dates and it doesn't come up on Odyssey, but she's on her way.
Okay, all right, thank you. There you are. Thank you.
And this is on today's docket.
Okay, thank you.
I don't have the cause in the top of my head.
Is Stephen Worthy out here? Mr. Worthy, if you'll come down, please. Hello. I know they wake you up early to come over, so I didn't want you to come over and not know what was happening. Your attorney just informed us he's actually in jury trial in another court. So we're gonna recall you in 2 weeks. But if your attorney is available before that 2-week time, we'll bring you over sooner, okay?
Okay.
All right, Norma, if I can have a 2-week reset on Stephen Worthy, please?
Yes. It'll be July 23rd.
All right, so we're gonna bring you back on July 23rd, but if your attorney wants you sooner, we'll bring you back sooner, okay?
Okay.
All right, Deputy Laura, we've finished with Mr. Worthy.
Okay, sir.
Back where I said.
Yes, sir, that's fine, thank you.
No, don't worry about it.
Those famous videos.
Are you ready for another one?
Just give me a moment.
Yes, ma'am. No, after that, I have to. No. She's at a.
And she-
Putting the food safe.
They want you to get all that. Great, thank you. Of course.
All right, I'm ready.
There's a plea ready to.
Can I have a file stamp? All right, Norma Oliva. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Court is calling 2025 CR 01324-02 State versus Norma Olivia. Can I have parties announced?
Yes, that's for the state.
Valentina Cocker on behalf of Miss Olivia.
All right, and so we have a court reporter in training. So do you mind spelling your name for her?
VALENTINA KOGUT.
All right. Counsel, have you received all discovery in this case?
Yes, sir.
And did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Olivia, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes,
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
I do.
Did you review the court admonishments? Oh, state, are you proceeding as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she is and she was.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $500 fine to be probated. The state recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be a $120 restitution to the Bexar County Crime Lab for testing. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
State defense?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be 100 hours community service restitution, the DOEP course, random UAs, and a referral to the felony drug court. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, state offer suits exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objections.
State you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're just asking the court to follow the plea bargain agreement.
All right, who is Fernando Lopez to you?
He's a family friend. He's known me since I was in diapers.
All right, so he's older than you?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna order no contact with him.
I haven't had any contact with him.
So how often have you been using?
I've been using every day. You mean like on a daily basis?
and I've been using it every day.
All right, so we are going to get you the help that you need, because I want you to be clean and sober, because this is not good, okay? And that gentleman who you said has known you since you've been a baby, he's not a friend to you, because he's in the throes of his addiction as well, and he never should have gotten you involved in that, okay? Are you employed? What do you do?
I work for telemarketing and insurance.
Okay, do you have any children
1 year old.
or any grandchildren?
No.
All right, do you live by yourself?
No, I live with my son.
Does anyone have any Kleenex over there? I'm
I have
out.
some right here.
All right, thank you. Thank you. All right, so this is a bump in the road, right? But it's going to be difficult for you, but you still can turn your life around, okay? So it's going to be 2 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's going to be regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. There's going to be a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow all recommendations. I'm going to want a referral to felony drug court. You need to make sure you make all of these appointments, because if you don't make these appointments, there's going to be a violation of your probation, okay? So you say you've been using daily. Have you used today?
No, I had got into a program, I forgot the name of the program, that the PR bond before this one, I recommended me to, they put me on some boxes, but today was my last day with the medication, and I don't have a doctor's appointment till the 20th.
All right, you may need to go to the emergency room when you leave here, all right? So there's going to be a $500 fine probated. Ms. Abrams, can you contact felony drug court and see if they can maybe see her today, just to give her some resources?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm going to make sure you get to felony drug court today so they can give you some resources, okay? $500 fine, that's going to be probated. There's a $120 restitution to the Bexar County Crime Lab. There's going to be 200 hours community service restitution hours. I'm going to order sober support meetings. For every sober support meeting you complete, 1 hour will be deducted for your community service restitution. And I'm going to order one sober support meeting per week. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And I'm going to do a no possession of firearms as well.
Yes, sir.
All right, so probation is going to speak to you, and then we're going to get you over to felony drug court, because felony drug court will probably have resources to help you with the medication that you're currently on, okay? If you need anything, you need to let us know, because we can't help you if you're not asking, okay? And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, anyone else ready? All right, who's here on Herbert Lee King?
Yes. Morning.
Good morning, how's it going?
Good. How are you doing, Judge?
Cannot complain, it's a beautiful day.
Almost the weekend.
Oh, right around the corner. It'll be a while for us because we're in jury trial, so.
Okay.
All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 9434 State versus Herbert Lee King. Can I have parties announced for the record?
State.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you proceeding on the MTR?
We are, Judge.
All right, are you Mr. King?
Yes, Beth.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilty and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Herbert Lee King who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 9434 for the offense of burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault on May 1st, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 26th day of November 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Herbert Lee King did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
True.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 12th day of December 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Herbert Lee King did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
True.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 12th day of January 2026 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Herbert Lee King did then and there failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
True.
State will waive the remaining allegations.
No objections.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violations 2, 2, and 2, the court can find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2, 2, and 2? Court will find 2, 2, and 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt, revoke supervision, and sentence to 6 years in prison.
And what is happening to the number 1?
That is out of county judge, it's my understanding, who has a hold to be transferred there.
All right, so you're requesting 6 years?
Yes, sir.
That is the agreed recommendation, Judge. The state is correct. He does have a hold out of county. It's in Guadalupe County, and he was brought over from Guadalupe County here and will be returned to Guadalupe County to resolve that case.
Are you asking the court to follow this agreement? Are you waiving your right to appeal? All right, the court will grant the motion, find you guilty. Thank you, state. Sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Donald Clark and Kiki, K-I-K-I Davis. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, do you have the cause number for that case?
It was on the court summary, Judge.
Uh,
The out of county case, Judge.
Does anyone have the cause number for the out-of-county case?
Judge, I have 26-0170.
Wait,
Yeah.
017.
Sorry. 0170 dash BR dash
E? The letter E?
as extra.
We're so extra. Okay. All right, this is gonna run concurrent with 26-0170-CR-E for extra.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a seat, sir. Judge,
Yes.
you're on.
Just one moment. Let me put this in the system. All right, what page is that on, Norma?
BS on page 8, 5 down.
All right, counsel.
Okay.
Let me get my calendar.
Sure.
Yeah,
Yes.
sorry.
No problem. So the county says that they're busy.
Okay.
Is this a motion to revoke?
Yes.
Norma,
Yes.
you're saying that they can have him by Zoom at 1:30?
Well, they said they'll schedule them for the afternoon. They just didn't give me.
No.
You're not available?
No.
All right, so Norma, on this one, they're saying that they can have him on Monday. But we can't do it. They say that they're overbooked or something. Is Monday okay?
It depends on the time. I have a court hearing at 1:45.
Oh, that would be in the morning.
Okay, I could do it in the morning.
All right, Norma, then put it down for Monday.
9:45.
Yes.
And you'll send the Zoom request? Okay.
All right, thank you. Sorry about that.
We too.
Yeah.
Monday morning. Okay.
Yes.
Maybe excused.
Yes, you may. All right, who is here on David Lopez Gonzalez? The attorney for David Lopez Gonzalez? Norma, where did Valentina go?
Oh, she said she needed to talk to the defendant about something. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can you hold off on that one?
Sure.
Sorry.
Anyone else ready?
Yes, ma'am. Brooklyn again? On week 4, she wants to reapproach.
Yes, Brooklyn? Oh, sorry, Beckman.
Yes, Your Honor.
That was my.
Yes.
So, I contacted my main witness, which is, Dr. Speedland. She's out of the country until the 4th. So,
Put it on the 4th then.
the date that I have completely the entire week with no vacations on Friday that won't interfere, and if we need to carry it over the next week would be the 17th.
No, we have murder scheduled, so we'll put it on the 4th. State,
When she comes back on the, oh, I can pick a jury on that date.
yes.
Okay. thank
State
you.
Beckman is going to be recalled for the 4th instead of the 3rd.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Maybe.
Oh, yes, you may. Thank you.
I'm sorry, what date was the judge?
August 4th.
August 4th. Yeah. No, I don't know if you said that. Sorry, what happened with you? It's like, no.
Anyone else ready? Okay.
Teresa Brady on the podium, jury could step out to county court 15 to be reclined if they're good.
Okay. All right, Catalina Robledo. Is Shanae Williams. Linnell Taylor. Aaliyah Jackson. Is Shanae Mackey. Alicia Tino Rio.
What was the last name, Judge? Pronounce each letter, because you just mispronounced it, and I know that's not what it is.
Tino Rio. It's TEN 10 O Rio. Tino Rio. Was I not saying that?
Tenorio.
Oh, Tenorio. Thank you. Thank you. I feel. Yes, me too. All right, Tenorio.
The B is for extra, Judge.
Yes, I'm telling you. I'm just going by what I was taught in elementary school. And Bashan, I was always taught when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. But Deputy Laura said, not in Spanish. All the vowels are saying something.
If you're afraid, you should take it Spanish. Good.
I know. Thank you. Oh, it serves me great. Whenever I go to Paris, everybody's very nice to me.
But everything want to like double the thing, like exclude it. Right. Translation because he just writes seven. Also, records. Because that will tell you because of what translation. What? So basically, all of us very even more is to just long afterwards. Very short for that. I had really 8 months to give each other like sentence. She tried to say one to so we need to figure out if this is translation. Totally off if she was or the set higher is something for Gino. But anyway, so that was the NTR. The transcription. Yep. 2023 star 245.
Annabelle goes. Okay. Thank you. Forgive me.
Well, yeah. 2025. 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 0. Michelle. Both floating at the time. Yeah. Right? It'll work. Well, I think 20 minutes.
As soon as I said it, I was about that. Oh, I missed it.
I have to go there. You could probably say that you who is here? You're here. You're here. No. Oh, there's one that just.
No, so this is.
Already? Right. Well, they just. All right. Okay.
Oh, right? Yes, who's next?
Theo Garcia, page 2.
Theodore Ted Garcia.
Your Honor, I'm pressed on that. Your Honor, you had Mr. Garcia, you authorized him to apply for the Veterans Treatment Court. We're ironing out a few things. He has been admitted, subject to your approval.
Okay.
If possible, could we have a recall to Tuesday or
No, let's do it now.
Wednesday?
If he's been admitted, then he just needs to enter a plea. So let's get it done today.
Also need a representative from the Veterans Court, Your Honor.
He's been down here.
Yeah, I'll get him. He just said to text him when we were ready, but he has been accepted and he'll just need to be on regular caseload until orientation.
All right, let's do it. Thank you.
Your Honor, right now, I believe he offers a 10 of cap opposed.
Oh, y'all just do your thing and I'll take care of it.
Okay,
All right,
thank you, Your Honor.
All right, who's next?
Zuniga Alvarado, page 4 down.
Zuniga Alvarado.
Spanish speaking, Your Honor.
Oh, well, we need an interpreter.
Oh, for a reset too?
Mhm.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna say-
Yeah, ready for the next one, Judge?
Yes.
Taylor, page 5, 2 down.
Linnell DeForest Taylor. Not here.
He's not in custody, Judge, and yes, he wasn't here Tuesday.
No.
He's the fellow that said he was cursed as we were about to sentence him. You asked him, why do you keep doing this? Well, these people been putting curses on me.
Oh, no, I remember. this.
Okay, yeah. No,
He was supposed to be evaluated. All right. The court is calling. Do you know, is he on a commercial bond or?
We check.
We'll see what type of bond he's on. It's 2026 CR 006730.
He's on a PR bond.
All right. Court is calling 2026 CR 006730. State versus Linnell DeForest Taylor Jr. Could I have parties announced for the defense?
Robert Barons.
All right. This hearing was actually scheduled on July 6th. The defendant did not appear. The court recalled it for July 9th. The defendant has still not appeared and did not answer docket call. It's now 11:11 a.m. Defense, have you had any contact with your client?
I have not, Judge.
And the last time you were here, you actually reached out to his relatives. Were you able to get in touch with them?
His uncle, I haven't tried to call them today. I'd have to look back for that phone number, but I can attempt to do that if you'd like.
Yes, if you'll attempt to do that. And
If I can
for
find
now,
it.
I'll do a judge's warrant and remand him without bond. But if you're able to reach them and they're able to get him in, then the court, of course, will reconsider.
Wait, what day were we here before the second?
We were here on July 6th.
I meant the date prior to that.
No, we had we had June 23rd.
There you go.
All right, anyone else ready, Norma?
Yes, David Gonzalez, he's on page 8, 3 down.
David Lopez Gonzalez.
Yes.
I have it. Court is calling 2026 CR 01813 State versus David Lopez Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced?
Florence Smith for the state.
Valentina Kogor on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You entered a plea. According to your plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. The state is opposed to your application. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 49447 and 2025 PF 49446. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI and TAP evaluation?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections to the PSI or TAP, state?
No, Judge.
Defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the state is opposed. State, do you have any witnesses?
No, Judge. Just brief.
Defense, any witnesses?
Just my client, Your Honor.
All right, could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
David Gonzalez, Your Honor.
All right, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. How old are you?
33.
Are you married?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
13.
What are their ages?
23, 22, 20, 18, 16, 15, 14, 12, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Are they all your biological children?
8 of them are.
And what are their ages? What are their ages?
For the biological.
Biological.
The 23, 22, 20, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3.
And are you currently employed?
Yes.
How were you employed?
With local union 67 sheet metal.
And what do you do?
We do AC sheet metal.
Okay.
Commercial.
Are you accepting responsibility for your actions?
I am.
Are you asking the court to grant you probation?
I am.
Why are you asking the court to grant you probation?
I have responsibilities. Though I messed up. It shouldn't have happened, but it did, and it couldn't allow it to be something that's gonna affect the rest of the kids as well.
And I'm so sorry, could you speak up?
Oh, yeah,
I'm having
sorry.
problems hearing you.
Sure, next to the mic.
Why I want the probation, why I'm asking for the probation is, I did slip up. It was something that shouldn't have happened. But as for my rest of my children, I really need to be that role model for them and not allow something like this to happen again.
And have you been on probation before?
Yes, years ago.
And were you successful on probation?
No, I walked out on it.
And how is this time will be different?
I was younger and I wasn't ready for responsibilities, and I'm trying to be very responsible now.
And did you learn the consequences of not complying with terms and conditions of probation?
Yes.
That's the witness, Your Honor.
State.
Hello, Mr. Gonzalez. My name is Lorna Smith. I'm a prosecutor at the state. You just testified with your defense attorney that you have learned from your past. Is that fair to say?
Yes.
How can we talk, or how can you assure this court that you've done that when you picked up 3 new cases since the last time you were on release?
It was, like I said, it was a slip up with something that shouldn't have happened. Going through a lot and helping raise kids that my wife can continue to say that it's not mine. I was still trying to be there for my kids, even my ones that aren't biological. I was raising them as my own, and though we have our hiccups in our marriage, I try to.
All right, excuse me. We're in the middle of a hearing. Please do not walk in front of the parties. All right, you may continue.
I'm sorry. I was just different.
And then on the instant offense, the unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, do you remember that date, August 6th?
From last year.
Yes, sir.
This is the van thing.
Yes.
Yeah, somewhat.
Okay, and you gave a statement to the PSI officer about the event, correct?
Yes.
And you remember advising the PSI officer that it was your son Luis that was operating the vehicle, is that correct?
Yeah.
And you said that he had to drop off a backpack, correct?
Yeah.
And do you remember being Mirandized by the police officer on August
Yeah,
sixth?
I'm trying to remember all that.
And you remember how you told the officer at the time that you were teaching Luis to drive?
I already had taught Luis how to drive, that's why he had learned, but when all that had happened, yes, it was somewhat similar to that.
So why did you give two different accounts of the events that
I
occurred?
can't remember it all because it's been over a while, but yeah.
So which is accurate?
He already had learned how to drive, because when we had a vehicle, before all this had happened, he knew how to drive. But at the same time, it's like, he can always learn more, and it wasn't something that I should have been doing in a vehicle like that, but that's what it was.
And you understand that wasn't y'all's vehicle, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So how can you be a good role model to your children when you're having him essentially be a party to this criminal
And
offense?
that's why I said like that was something where I slipped up on that shouldn't have had did. And because of all this right here, is like it really opened my eyes to where it's not something I should be allowing for any of the other kids to be going through it as well.
I see. No further questions.
Any other questions?
No, yeah.
Anything else you would like to say?
No, no.
All right, I'll hear a brief argument.
Judge, we're opposed to the application. We ask that you sentence to 4 years in the prison. Mr. Gonzalez has extensive criminal history. He has 3 felony convictions and 9 misdemeanor convictions. Of the 3 times he's been on probation, he was revoked twice, and then once he did successfully complete probation, so I will give him that and see that. However, Judge, he continues to victimize the community, therefore we ask that you deny his application.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor. My client is 43-year-old. He has a lot of children. He needs to take care of, some biological, some are not. He's married. He's responsible for his family and for his wife. He's employed. He has taken responsibility for his actions, and he's pleading for mercy from the court.
Do
To
you
grant
mind if I
permission.
ask your client a question?
Excuse me?
Do you mind if I ask your client a question?
No, yeah.
Why would you allow your son either to learn how to drive or practice how to drive on a vehicle that you know is stolen?
It was a dumb, it was a, for that day, like, it isn't something I would want for anybody to be doing or.
No, I mean, I know,
advice.
I know you're saying that now, but I'm like, why would you do that?
At that given day, like, I just had a lot going on, like me and my wife arguing and everything, and it doesn't excuse it, but it's just a dumb mistake that I did on my part. It really is.
I don't think probation is appropriate for you. One, this is a state jail felony, but it's been enhanced.
Yes.
So it's a 3rd-degree felony. You did 20 days in 2002 for an assault. You did 6 months in jail in 2003. In 2006, you did 5 months and 10 days in jail for burglary of a vehicle. And there were 2 of those cases. One was dismissed. In 2006, you did 3 months and 10 days in jail for an assault bodily injury. And that was in May. In December 2006, you did 30 days for a theft case. In 2007, you did 40 days for a failure to ID. And then in 2007, in May, you were placed on 2 years probation for burglary of a vehicle that was revoked. You know, at one time, burglary of a vehicle was a felony. So you only did 6 months for that. 2008, you had an assault case, bodily injury, married. You did 55 days in jail. You had a failure to identify and evading arrest, detention, and driving while intoxicated. Those cases were dismissed because they say you were convicted for something else. And so I'm not going to consider those. 2018, you had a criminal trespass of a habitation or shelter. You did 96 days in the jail for that. 2019, you had an obstruction of a highway intoxication, which means that they proceeded on an obstruction of highway instead of DWI. 2008, you had an evading arrest detention. You did 1 year in the state jail facility. You also had a theft of a vehicle. Those sentences were run concurrently. 2010, you were on parole for an assault, choking, strangulation. You did 8 years for that, and then you were on parole for it. And then you have some assault cases where the complainant waived prosecution. And now we're here for theft of a vehicle and unauthorized use of a vehicle. And according to the stipulations, the person went in the store, they came back, their vehicle was gone. And how old were you when you committed this offense?
Just last year.
All right, and so how old were you last year?
42.
All right. So I don't think you're appropriate. And so the court is finding you guilty. As previously stated, the enhancement is true. Based upon your plea of true and states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court is going to sentence you to the 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine. There's to be no contact with the complainant. And there's to be no residing in households with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question on what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Maybe you have heard one of the TIC dismissals, the other shows closed already.
Thank you. Yes.
I called the numbers I have for his uncle and his mother. There's no answer. I sent them both text messages.
Okay, I mean, well, I issued the judge's warrant.
Nobody's here now, Judge.
Okay, just give me a second. Let me put this in the system. And what is your client's name? Let me find him on the docket.
On page 4, 4 down.
Okay. Zuniga Alvarado.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Pretty good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. I cannot complain. Hey, it's Friday Eve.
Yes.
All right. So I've signed the acknowledgement of discovery that you all turned in.
Did we turn one in?
Oh, isn't that what?
No, it was perfect.
Oh, let me see.
Yes, we.
Thank you. All right. Any discovery outstanding?
Yes, I believe so, Judge.
And what is that? CPS records, school records, what?
All
All of it?
All of it. Plus, we're having to get an interview translated because the CW is a Spanish speaker.
Okay.
And there might be some translation issues with how it was reported.
And how long is the translation going to take?
Your Honor, it is quite a long video. I would realistically 3 months.
And has anyone given it to a translator?
No, we just found this issue out today, so we'll be doing that today. But for, just for the record, the CPS records are in the file. We don't have any indication that's full of it needed. But other than that, it looks like the child safe records are what we're going to do.
All right, we're recalling this in 30 days to make sure the state has a translator beginning translation. All right, Norm, I need a 30-day reset.
Sure.
We'll be back on August 10th.
Thank you.
Sir, do you have any questions?
No.
No,
that's
right.
fine.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Have a seat, sir. Toma asiento.
Maybe it's good, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you so much. Do you need me to sign anything?
No, no.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. So I wanted to state you judge on the Randy Gallegos matter.
Judges YSAVEL.
All right. Who's next?
I think, so Miss Williams on page 4 dance. Yes.
You go, girl.
Here's the kiss.
All right, Miss Williams. Hi.
Hi, good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How you been doing?
Good, I haven't seen you
Yeah,
in
long
quite a
time
while.
no see. All right, your client didn't answer docket.
She's not here, Judge. I've not heard from her. And I'm kind of confused about that one because we had a good situation going and I thought today was the day.
Mhm.
But I haven't heard from her and I've reached out a couple times this morning.
Mhm.
I'm not sure.
Do you know, is she on a PR bond or a commercial bond?
I don't remember.
Let's see if they can check if she's on a commercial bond. It is 2026 CR 005688. Because maybe they can get in touch with her. And then your other client, Catalina Robledo.
We are actually next door. We've been over there. They're working on a TIC here. And now there's some discrepancies. So I need to check with the state and see if we can work something out.
She's on bond with a second check.
All right, if you want to call second chance bail bonds.
Okay.
And then just come back and we'll take care of it.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Deputy Laura.
You're actually on top of things. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you, Judge.
Sure, you're welcome. Have a good one. Good boy. All right, who else?
For Martinez 6, it's page 6.
Excuse me, who's at the door? Yes, who are you here for? Who are you here for? Oh, Andrew Priest? Oh, just, what's your name? What's your name?
I didn't know I had court.
No. What is your name?
Jackson.
Jackson. Okay, just have a seat. And can somebody call Andrew Priest to come back and we'll take care of your matter?
Okay, I didn't know I had court.
No, that's fine. Just have a seat, okay?
Second row, please. Second, okay.
All right, if you all have Mr. Andrew Priest come back. All right, who's next?
Give me 1 second, right?
Sorry.
No, you're fine. For Martinez on page 6, 5, so. They're asking for a reset.
All right. Isabel Liliana Martinez.
You want to go up here, right?
Yes. All right. So what is happening with this case?
So that's what I want to talk to you about, Judge, a little bit. Ms. Martinez, as you can see by the nature of her charge, she's had some mental issues in the past. She's currently seeing a psychiatrist.
Okay.
Megan suggested maybe we apply for the mental health court, which I think we're she's agreeable to doing that, but part of the concern is she got accepted to college in Houston. So she's wanting
Accepted where?
Houston, college,
Or
college.
college? Oh, what school are you going to?
HCC.
Okay.
So I have the acceptance letter and her course schedule already. She's supposed to start in a month. So I knew she prepared a motion with the court, for the court to allow her to move to Houston to start that. But Megan was thinking she might not be able to do the mental health court when she lives in Houston. And she's currently seeing a psychiatrist online. She sees, helping see her psychiatrist.
Like, once a month. I see my
I think it's
therapist every week.
every week. Your therapist, psychiatrist once a month.
All right, let's do this. Norma, see if you can call Renee Munoz and see if he's available to come back. All right, and we'll see what we can do. Hey, but what are you studying?
Psychology.
Oh, that's exciting.
She wants to go into counseling because some of the things that she's gone through.
Hey, that's awesome. And I'm loving the hair color.
Yeah.
It's hard. Did you do it yourself or have somebody else do it?
I did it myself.
Do you know how difficult it is to do the layers with the different, well, Cindy, you were a stylist. It is very difficult to do the layers and not get it on other parts, and especially the way you've done it with the side. So yeah, good work.
Thank you.
That was the other career path she's like thinking about doing, judge.
Oh, yeah.
Cosmetology, as you can tell.
See, you have to tell your attorney how difficult that is. Everybody sees it and they think it's easy, but it's very difficult. And then you're not looking, you don't have eyes in the back of your head, so you have to do that as well. Yeah, good job. Am I right, Cindy? Good job.
Yeah, I wouldn't try to do it to myself.
All right, so just have a seat. Your attorney's going to talk to an attorney who's in mental health court, and we'll see what we can do.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Judge, I'm gonna go to another court, 175th, and I'll come back.
Okay, thank you. All right, who's next?
Annabelle Bella?
She's in custody, Judge.
I'm sorry, who is it?
Bella?
Motion to set bond.
Okay. If I can have, did you file a motion? Do you have a copy with you, counsel?
Judge.
Oh, thank you.
The NPR is attached on the bond.
All right, thank you. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to find the page there on.
Oh, page 92 down, Judge.
Gosh. All right, it says Paul Acevedo hired.
I am helping him. I filed my notice of
Okay.
co-counsel last night. He should be accepted then.
All right, and this new number one, is that a misdemeanor?
It is a misdemeanor.
So what's gonna end up happening with this motion to revoke?
Paul Savello this morning made contact with the complainant. He's expressed to us that he's not cooperative with the state in this. I'm not too sure if the complainant's made contact with the state on that matter. What we'd like to do is, if we can't get her out on the bonds, start negotiating with the County Court 7 prosecutor in the state and try and resolve it as soon as
All right,
possible.
let's see what's gonna happen. Try to resolve it. We can call it back at 1:30. It would end up saving funds. All right?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Or we'll come back to 1:30.
Yes, we'll get it taken care of.
All right.
All right, this is recall at 1:30. And I think it's County Court 13 counsel. Yes.
You saw her?
No.
She's your judge. She's not dressed appropriately, so.
Oh, so what is?
How do we handle this?
Oh, when you say she's not dressed appropriately.
Well, the officer specifically.
You just go out a bit.
Oh, and that's Ishanae Williams.
Yes, Judge.
All right, go outside and tell her she needs to go back home and come back dressed appropriately for court, and we'll see her this afternoon.
Okay.
And if she's not back here at 1:30, a warrant will be issued. Imani Hastings. Morning. A lot of women today who've been.
I know.
They're pregnant.
It's
Okay.
Pregnant Women Day.
Yes. How far along?
12 months, about to be 5.
Okay, because someone else in this court was pregnant. I read up just in case I had to deliver a child. So. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 0071498 State versus Imani Hastings. Can I have parties announced?
Lindsay Shaw for Miss Hastings.
And are you Miss Hastings?
Yes.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Hastings, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Hastings, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with organized retail theft from $750 to $2,500 as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
All right, so you're gonna have to speak up.
Sorry. Yes.
All right. Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not, you need to say yes or no.
Yes.
How old are you?
18.
18, pregnant, and committing crimes. All right, I'm going to ask you some more questions later. Did you understand that if you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine to be probated. The state recommends deferred adjudication. This will run concurrent with 2026 CC 010949. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
State defense?
It is.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, the felony anti-theft course, anger management, and no contact with the following. Probation, are you ready for the no contact? Court reporters, you all ready? No contact with famous footwear. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
No objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence and review the same. State, is there any restitution? All right, thank you. You may be excused. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, the court's aware she's 18 years old. She's 5 months pregnant. She attended Holmes High School, however, she did not graduate. I think when she's ready to be out of the jail, but you know, she plans to live with her mother when she can get out, but she's certainly not had an easy life. I think she did want to tell the court, you know, any help that the court might be able to provide through probation and, you know, when she has this baby.
All right, what do you mean by she hasn't had an easy life?
Well, I mean, you want to tell the judge a little bit about your life?
In and out of foster care.
Okay.
And placed different homes, took and out, placed different homes.
So is it best for you to be living with your mom? Because there's a reason you were moved from your mom. That's probably not a good placement. And the people you were hanging around with, those are not good people. The person who's leaving a 7-week-old baby in a vehicle so that they could commit thefts, not a good person. None of these people that you were hanging out with, and when I say not good people, I mean that they were not doing the right thing. You were one of those people not doing the right thing either. You understand?
Yes.
So have you had any drug use in the past?
Yes.
How long ago?
Like in February.
Okay.
Judge, may I into the court, just off the record?
Sure.
I guess,
All right, and the clerk has just told me, so if you could write this down.
Yes, ma'am.
They're having a free diapers and wipes event, so you can go and get diapers for your child and get free stuff for babies there. It's July 11th from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. And it's at the Family Service Neighborhood Center, 3014 Rivas Street, 78228. And since it's on social media, I'm sure they're fine with me. You have to call and make an appointment. The number is 210-900-5436. And so it's they'll give out free diapers, free wipes. You're gonna learn with babies. They go through diapers like nobody's business. And if you try to stretch it out and keep them in diapers too long, that's how they end up with diaper rash. Now, my mom, she started out with her firstborn with cloth diapers. So you can go that route too, but.
It's a lot of washing.
Yeah. Thank you so much for letting me know about that. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna send it you to 2 years deferred adjudication. Ms. Abrams, we'll do a referral to Esperanza Court. And we're gonna call and see if they can see you today. Yes.
Her misdemeanor, we cannot plea her on that until Monday, so she'll have to remain in custody, so.
So we'll do a referral to Esperanza Court, have you remain in custody, and when that is set on your day, if something happens where Esperanza Court hasn't seen her, just come back here.
Okay.
Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. This will run concurrent with 2026 CC 010949. There's $1,000 fine, probated. And yes, it's not best that you live with your mom because that's going to take you on a path you should not be on, okay? And if there's an issue with housing, after you see Esperanza Court, you can come back here, and if there's no objection from either the state or defense, I'll look into my contacts and see who I can call to help with housing.
Thank you.
I'm going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, the 100 hours of community service restitution will be deemed satisfied. And I'm going to order the felony anti-theft course. And once that's completed, the remaining community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be regular UAs, proof of employment, or GED, GED registration within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And no contact with the following: all right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. All right, so here's the thing. You've got a rocky start, and you got a rocky start because you've been through child protective services as a child. But that's not the end of your story. Don't make it the end of your story. that doesn't give you a pass to do what you know is wrong, okay? So from here, you can continue, you can become successful, and then guess what? Other foster children, you can tell them your story and how you overcame, okay?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. All right, who's next?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Who's next?
For that on page 1 or now.
I'm sorry, who is it?
Mind testing?
That's right, the RA.
On page, what page number?
On page 1, 4 down.
I don't see that on here, an attorney named Mario.
Oh.
Oh, Barton. Okay.
I thought you were saying the defendant was.
Yeah.
I was ignoring that, my bad.
All right, so what is happening?
I did call Hardin County Judge. There are 4 indicted cases. They're all set on 7/21 for announced.
And I also checked online, Judge, for the active jail roster out in Hardin County. Mr. Elgazab is still in that county jail.
All right, so are you able to get in touch with his defense attorney?
I can try. I have tried in the past, but I can continue my efforts.
All right, so we know that defense attorney is going to be in court on July 21st, right? Norma,
Yes.
are we able to set this on the 21st?
Of-
July.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to recall it on July 21st. And you know what I'm anticipating? I'm anticipating that defense attorney there being able to zoom in here with his client. And
Oh.
then we can probably take care of things. So if you can get in touch with the defense attorney before then and see, hey, when your client is brought over, if he can do a Zoom in here and you guys can talk.
Sounds good to me, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're fine.
All right, who's next?
Bottom of page 32 down.
Rudolfo Palma. Hello. All right, so what's happening with this case?
Your Honor, we've conferred with the state. They've made an offer, whereas the case here would be dismissed with a plea on the misdemeanor. And so we're going to make that happen hopefully in the next couple of weeks.
All right, when is the misdemeanor case set?
It's a pre-file. I don't have that sitting in front of me, Your Honor.
Okay.
And it's Rochelle's case, so I wouldn't be able to find it. Let me see.
State, can you all look up and see when that's set?
Of course, sure.
And then we'll set it together. That way he doesn't have to make 2 appearances.
Yes, Your Honor. Yeah, we can get. Yeah. August 13th. August 13th, Your Honor.
All right, Norma, are you able to recall this back for disposition August 13th?
Yes.
All right, I'll see you then, and you can go to the misdemeanor court first.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse.
Appreciate it.
Judge, I guess this one.
Oh, yeah, and see, people don't realize how difficult that is, and it's very time consuming.
Oh, yeah, because I have to, it was black, it's like, oh, this is the black first, I don't remember. Anyway, it came up very good.
Mhm. All right, who's next? The court is recessing at noon.
Jackson, like, page 6 went down.
Jackson? Yes. All right, where are we on discovery?
Judge, I believe we have the discovery on this case. There were two issues. A few weeks ago, my client had two new cases followed on her. We're still getting the discovery on those cases and reviewing that discovery. It was one felony and one misdemeanor. When I conferred with the state this morning, they also mentioned that there were 4 sealed cases that they were asking for time to review to see if those were cases they were going to proceed on or not, just so we knew everything we were looking at when we came back.
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 45 days.
August 24th.
All right, August 24th.
Judge, she said on the misdemeanor on the 25th. Could we set it on the 25th? Would that be possible?
No, it'd have to be the 24th. All right, we'll see.
On the 25th is
Tuesday.
Okay. All right, August 25th, and you need to be up here first and you need to be on time. They're gonna give you a reset form, so you'll have it.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
May we be excused?
Yes, just have a seat and he'll bring the reset form to you. All right, who's next?
Nobody, I don't have anybody else.
All right, and counsel? All right, who's next?
Nobody on the list. No one from the rest.
Judge, we'll have the veteran court 1 minute, 3 minutes.
All right, you all gonna have to come back in the afternoon because it is 12 p.m. All right, everyone,